Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. Today I got for you another studio vlog where I create the autumn collection for my stationery Etsy shop. So let's get started. There were quite a few things to do the last weeks and I'm really excited to share my process as well as all the things I created. Autumn is my absolute favorite time of the year, so it was such a pleasure to create all these new autumn-inspired stickers and printables. If you watch till the end, there will be a little bit of a surprise, so make sure to stick around. First, I worked on the printable for the autumn-themed bullet journal monthly spreads. Here I create the mood tracker for the set. It comes with a mood and a habit tracker, a monthly overview spread, a title page with a cute autumn pumpkin and leaf circle, a Hello Fall illustration and a brain dump page with two different blank pages with only the illustration borders. The complete spreads are undated, so you can use them for whatever month you like. If you enjoy arts and crafts videos, hit the subscribe button down below to join me on my creative journey. Next I create the autumn sticker set. Now here are the stickers I printed out and I realized they are kind of... I don't know if you can see it on camera. Maybe here with the mushrooms. This one is just a bit sharper with all the lines. It's because this one I printed from a PNG file and here I did a PDF. I will do all the stickers for the shop with this one and use this for myself. Now we have to get into the tedious part of cutting all those stickers. This time I made two different sets which each contain 7 stickers. The first has more neutral tones and is a bit more vintage, cozy theme inspired, a little bit like a light academia autumn theme. While the other one is more typical autumn colors with lots of orange and brown, some carved pumpkins and autumn leaves. Now I start to stage the stickers with some autumn leaves and an old book to take the product pictures. After this followed a bunch of computer work. On one hand, to select the pictures and edit them for the shop, and on the other hand, I created some digital vintage ephemera printable kits as a new addition to the shop. This took me quite some time at the computer too, but I had a lot of fun. For this autumn collection, I made 3 different ephemera printable kits. One autumn themed with tags, journaling cards, small ephemera pieces and some vintage inspired botanical pages. This one you might already have seen in last week's art journal video, where I used it to create an autumn art journal spread. The next ephemera kit is a light academia themed one with some journaling and catalogue pages, some different little vintage ephemera pieces and a bunch of vintage inspired designed tags. And the final ephemera kit for this autumn collection is a dark academia themed one, with a bunch of vintage inspired journaling pages and 12 mystery and academia inspired tags. Now for my loyal viewers who made it till the end, I have a special surprise. With the code YouTubeAutumn in all capital letters, you get 10% off of your order this weekend. So make sure to get yourself some autumn journaling goodies until Monday. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's studio vlog, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.